In this video, you'll learn how to use the question management section of the dashboard. After logging in, on the left-hand side, you'll see the Manage section. Clicking on Manage reveals a list of options, including questions. To access the Manage and Questions section of the dashboard, you will need admin permission. Click on Questions. You now have a new list of options, including items, categories, menu, and questions. Click on Questions. You now have the option to set, change, and remove any question. There are 3 sections within Questions: Core Question, Steps of Service, and Research. The Core Question is your NPS question, which is fixed. Steps of Service questions allow you to measure team performance on operational steps using yes/no answers. Research questions are for market research, brand awareness, and wider insights you'd like from your guests. Let's take a closer look at your options. To remove a question, hover over that question and click the trash can icon. This won't delete any historical data, but will stop that question being asked. You can change questions and have them specific to the service style. Next to each of the headings, you'll see a plus sign. Click on this to reveal a bank of a few thousand questions and different categories that you can use. There is also a search bar if you want to search for any keywords such as allergens, or check back to see some of the questions that have already been uploaded. When you choose a question, there are several conditions you can add to it. For example, you can ask your questions at all venues or at specific venues. You can choose all items or only specific items. And you can choose what days or what times of the day you want them asked. A good example of this would be a lunchtime menu. For example, did you receive a lunch menu today? You can set this question to only be active when it's relevant. You can also fix or rotate the questions. Selecting Rotate Question means it's added to your bank of questions and can be periodically asked as part of the survey. Selecting Fix Question means every guest will be asked that question. You can also leave a question running for as long as you like, or stop it being asked after a set number of responses or dates. Steps of Service questions will always have yes/no answers, but research question answers can have different formats, such as yes/no, yes or no, or maybe. 1 to 5, 1 to 5 stars. Free text, multiple choice, or multiple select and more. If you need specific wording or brand-specific questions, we can add custom questions into the system for you. All you need to do is email your question copy and answer format to our support team using support@yumpingo.com.